In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make neon text in Adobe Express. We'll walk through the exact workflow to turn plain lettering into a bright, glowing style. And I'll share tips so your result looks polished and intentional. Start by opening Adobe Express and creating a new project, or opening an existing design. Pick a canvas size that fits where you'll use the graphic, like a social post or a banner. Neon pops best against darker backgrounds, so if your design allows, consider a deep gray or charcoal backdrop for extra contrast. Once your canvas is ready, we can add the words you want to transform. Click Text, then add your text and type your phrase. Short, punchy wording often reads more dramatically in a neon style, but any text works. Position it roughly where you want it on the canvas. You don't have to be perfect yet. We'll refine placement after generating the effect. With the text still selected, look in the left panel for Generate Text Effects, sometimes labeled Text Effects, depending on the version you're using. If you don't see results, double-check that your text layer is highlighted. The effect options only appear when the text object is selected. In the prompt field, describe the look you're going for, such as neon glow text or electric neon lettering. Then click Generate. You can be specific with color or vibe, like blue neon glow or retro pink neon, to nudge the style in a particular direction. The tool will process your prompt and return several stylized options. Browse the variations it creates and choose the one that fits your design. Look for clean edges, readable strokes, and enough glow to stand out without overpowering the rest of your layout. After you select a version, adjust its size by dragging the corner handles, fine-tune color if the style allows, and move it into place using the alignment guides to keep things centered or balanced. If the look isn't quite right, try switching the font and then reapplying or regenerating the effect to see fresh variations. Rounded sans serifs often give a classic neon tube feel, while condensed type can look sleek and modern. Each font interacts with the effect differently, so a quick font swap can make a big difference. And that's it. Your neon text is ready. Use this same process whenever you want eye-catching titles, headers, or callouts that glow with energy in Adobe Express.